Hi, this is teacher Dennis. We are unboxing a Kurzweil keyboard today. So here we go. Careful, just not to destroy the edges. Okay, I'm going to put it here. So this is how you unbox a keyboard. Like this. This is KP110, very light and portable. So shall we cut the tape? I will cut the ribbon for the ceremony. So like that. Unboxing. This is my favorite part. Unboxing instruments all the time. Smelling their very new fragrance. This is the KP110. When I was young, I don't have any kind of keyboard like this. We only use the toys. Toy piano, toy everything. No? So, but it was good for us already. We thought it was the real thing. So, unboxing the piano or the keyboard. Adjust it like that. Voila! So this blue tape is to make sure that the keys are not going to be destroyed when it's shipped. Here we have the music stand, the keyboard music stand for putting the books and playing some nice music. That's the keyboard music stand. And we have the most important thing, the owner's manual of KP110. So I'm sure there is a the adapter here. Over here. The side. It's so nice not to hide something for a surprise. So this is the adapter of the KP110. Just slice a little bit. So keyboards are really handy nowadays. People would like to play anywhere, in the mountain, near the ocean, beach, front. Some even want to play while on board a plane. So I tried to play on board a plane before, not keyboard, just a small iPad keyboard. But it's still called keyboard, so that's why. So here's our power adapter. We just attach it here. I can always remember where it is, even though there is no sign, because there is a like a metal thing protruding there, so I know it's the one. Don't have to really read. And then if you have a outlet that is round, then you can plug it in. I'm sure this keyboard is not 110, so it's 220. So we press the one on button, and voila, there's a blue light surrounding this tempo, and maybe a selector button. Okay, let's try to press some keys. Oh, the volume knob is not yet turned up. We will cut the blue. Oh, no. So I'll just play the old McDonald. Higher volume. Touch response test. But why did I slow down? How about a very angry old MacDonald? Okay, so this is the modulator, bender. Oh no, yeah, bender and modulator. I'm sorry, it's just a bender. Maybe we can adjust that one to 1 octave, I guess. Some of the keyboards do that. And some of the features here are metronome. And I'm sure this is the one who's gonna direct the tempo. Oh. No, it's not the one. So maybe it's... so let's try some drums. So that's the electric set, drum set. So it's that one, no? Metronome, mixer, harmony, and function. So there's a lot of features here. You just read your manual, but most of the time people prefer the piano sound only. So that's what is always important. Now I'll turn it off. I'll turn it on again, and let's play a piano sounding piece, like say the blues piece, like a Chinese piece. Okay, ni hao. So there you go. I unboxed the KP110. Very good, versatile keyboard, very portable, and enjoy your playing. That's it for now. This is teacher Dennis saying, keep it up and keep playing music.